Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Jaci, renowned as the Brazilian Tupi-Guarani Goddess of the moon, night, and femininity. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Jaci. What does Jaci represent in mythology? Goddess Jaci holds significant meaning in Guarani mythology, representing the moon and the enchanting qualities associated with it. She embodies the divine feminine energy, embodying fertility, motherhood, and the cycles of life. Jaci teaches the importance of observing and respecting natural cycles and rhythms, emphasizing the harmony found in aligning with the natural world. She is revered as a spiritual and mystical being, facilitating connections with spirits and guiding individuals in their spiritual growth. Jaci's influence extends to Guarani cultural identity and traditions, where rituals and ceremonies are dedicated to her, reinforcing cultural values and the interconnectedness with nature. Her significance spans across the moon: femininity, natural rhythms, spiritual connection, and cultural heritage. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Jaci. Unveiling the archetypal splendor of Goddess Jaci. Jaci, the moon goddess in Guarani mythology, embodies several archetypal characteristics. She represents the wise woman, guiding individuals through the cycles of the moon and offering wisdom and intuitive insights. As the mother goddess, she embodies nurturing and protective qualities, providing comfort and unconditional love. Jaci is also seen as the mystic, inviting individuals to explore the mysterious and unseen aspects of spirituality. She symbolizes the nature spirit, reminding us of our interconnectedness with the natural world and the importance of honoring its rhythms. Additionally, Jaci embodies the lunar goddess archetype, representing feminine energy, intuition, and the power of reflection. Through her archetypal qualities, Jaci inspires individuals to embrace their intuitive wisdom, find comfort and support, delve into the mystical, honor nature, and embrace their feminine essence. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Jaci. Moonlit radiance, Jaci's symbols. Goddess Jaci's symbols include the moon, depicted through crescent moons and lunar motifs. Plants associated with her include jasmine, symbolizing purity and the luminous qualities of the moon, as well as other night-blooming plants. Owls are closely linked to Jaci, representing wisdom, intuition, and the mysteries of the night. Silver and white are the predominant colors associated with her, symbolizing the radiant and luminous nature of the moon, as well as purity and clarity. These symbols, plants, animals, and colors collectively capture the essence of Jaci, highlighting her connection to the moon, nature, and the mystical qualities she embodies. Part 4. The story of Goddess Jaci. Embracing wisdom and harmony in nature. Deep within the lush jungles of southern Brazil, a radiant goddess named Jaci reigned supreme. She was the embodiment of the moon's mystical energy, her presence casting a shimmering light upon the dense foliage and sparkling rivers that danced through the verdant landscape. Jaci's celestial beauty was as captivating as the moon's glow itself. With flowing silver hair and eyes that mirrored the starlit sky, she possessed an ethereal grace that captured the hearts of all who beheld her. Jaci's footsteps echoed softly through the jungle, her luminous aura leaving a trail of enchantment in her wake. In the heart of the jungle, a young girl named Ayla discovered an ancient temple, hidden amidst the emerald green foliage. Drawn by an invisible force, she entered the sacred space and found herself in the presence of the awe-inspiring goddess, Jaci. The young girl's eyes widened with wonder as Jaci extended a hand, inviting her into a profound connection with the moon's divine energy. Under the moonlit canopy, Jaci revealed to Ayla the secrets of the natural world. She spoke of the interconnectedness of all living things and the sacred balance that must be upheld. Jaci taught Ayla to listen to the whispers of the wind, to observe the dance of the moon's reflection on the rivers, and to feel the heartbeat of the earth beneath her feet. Guided by Jaci's wisdom, Ayla ventured deeper into the jungle, awakening her own innate connection to the mystical forces that surrounded her. She discovered the healing properties of native plants, learned to communicate with the animals, and embraced the spirit of the jaguar as her guardian and guide. Together, Jaci and Ayla embarked on a journey to restore harmony to the land. They worked side by side, tending to the wounded animals, healing the rivers polluted by human negligence, and fostering a renewed reverence for the precious gifts of nature. Their actions spread like ripples, inspiring others to join in the mission of preserving the delicate balance of the jungle. As time passed, the jungle thrived, vibrant and alive with the energy of Jaci and Ayla's sacred partnership. Their bond symbolized the unity between humanity and the natural world, reminding all who encountered them of the interconnectedness of all life. To this day, the jungles of southern Brazil bear the mark of Jaci's enchanting presence. The moon's gentle glow illuminates the path for those who seek a deeper connection with nature. And whenever the night sky is adorned with a shimmering moon, the whispers of Jaci's teachings can still be heard, carrying the promise of harmony, healing, and the preservation of the Earth's precious treasures. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Jaci archetype. Strategy 1. Practice barefoot walks or earthing. Research suggests that being in direct contact with the Earth's surface by walking on the ground, whether it's grass, sand, or soil, can have positive effects on your well-being. This practice, known as grounding or earthing, allows for the exchange of electrons between your body and the Earth, promoting balance and reducing stress. As you walk barefoot, be mindful of each step, feeling the textures and sensations beneath your feet. Engage your senses fully and allow nature's energy to harmonize with your own. Strategy 2. Embrace lunar wisdom. Draw inspiration from the archetype of the wise woman represented by Goddess Jaci. Embrace the cycles of the moon and its inherent wisdom. Set aside time for reflection during the different lunar phases. Tune into your intuition and allow the moon to guide your decision-making process. Strategy 3. Explore the power of dream work and intuition. Keep a dream journal by your bedside and record your dreams upon waking. Pay attention to recurring themes, symbols, or messages that may emerge. Engage in practices such as meditation or visualization to enhance your intuitive abilities and connect with the wisdom of Jaci. By embracing dream work and intuition, you can tap into hidden realms of knowledge, gain clarity, and receive guidance for your personal transformation. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Light the moon-shaped candle or a white candle, symbolizing the radiant energy of Jaci. Place it in a safe spot where you can observe its gentle glow throughout the ritual. Arrange a bunch of fragrant flowers or petals in a beautiful arrangement, symbolizing the beauty and abundance that the moon's energy brings. 2. Sit comfortably in front of the candle and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to quiet. Imagine a soft silver moonlight enveloping you, filling you with tranquility and peace. Visualize a gentle connection forming between you and the moon's energy, allowing you to tap into its wisdom and guidance. 3. Hold a clear quartz crystal or moonstone in your hands. Close your eyes and visualize the crystal absorbing the moon's energy. Feel its coolness and clarity resonate within you, enhancing your intuition and deepening your connection with the divine feminine. Set your intentions for the ritual, speaking them silently or aloud, inviting Jaci's presence and guidance. 4. Take a moment to sit in quiet contemplation, bathed in the gentle glow of the candle. Reflect upon the qualities you wish to cultivate in alignment with Jaci's energy. Consider how you can embrace your own intuition, embody feminine nurturing, and honor the natural cycles of life. Write down any insights, inspirations, or intentions in your journal. 5. Express your gratitude and blow out the candle, symbolizing the completion of the ritual. Take a moment to offer gratitude for the moon, nature, and the divine energy that surrounds you. A final message, words of wisdom from Jaci. Cherish and celebrate the diversity that unites us, as it holds the key to a world painted with vibrant colors and boundless possibilities. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.